If your OneDrive storage is full and you want to clear it out fast, this video is going to walk you through the easiest way to empty OneDrive storage step by step. We'll go through deleting the files you no longer need, and then we'll make sure you fully free up space by emptying the recycle bin as well. That last part is important because deleting files alone does not always reclaim the storage right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go straight to onedrive.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and password and complete any verification steps Microsoft asks for. Once you're inside your OneDrive account, you'll land on your main file area where all your folders and uploads are stored. Now click on My Files. This is where all of your personal OneDrive content is organized. Take a moment here and look through the files and folders you want to remove. If your goal is to empty storage completely, you may want to select everything you no longer need. If you only want to free up some space, just choose the specific items that are taking up storage. To select files, you can click on individual items one by one. If you want to select multiple files, you can hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking. You can also select folders if you want to remove everything inside them. Be careful here and double check what you're selecting because once the files are deleted and the recycle bin is emptied, they may be difficult or impossible to recover. After you've selected the files and folders you want to remove, click Delete. OneDrive will move those items into the OneDrive recycle bin first. This is a safety step, so the files are not permanently gone yet. At this point, your storage may still not be fully cleared because the deleted items are still being stored in the recycle bin. Now, to free the storage completely, look at the left sidebar and click Recycle Bin. This is where all deleted OneDrive items are temporarily held. You should see the files you just deleted listed there. If you want to fully empty OneDrive storage, this is the critical step you should not skip. Once you're in the recycle bin, click Empty Recycle Bin. OneDrive may ask you to confirm that you really want to permanently delete the contents. Review the warning carefully, and if you're sure you no longer need those files, confirm the deletion. After that, OneDrive will permanently remove the items from the recycle bin and reclaim the storage space. Depending on how much data was deleted, it may take a little while for your available space to update. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or give it a few moments. In many cases, your storage space will now show as cleared or significantly reduced, which means you successfully emptied your OneDrive storage. A quick tip before you finish: if your storage is still fuller than expected, check for large folders, shared files you copied into your drive, or backups like photos and videos that may be using up the most space. Sorting by file size can help you find the biggest storage users faster. That way you can clear more space without having to remove everything. And that's it. You've now learned how to empty OneDrive storage by deleting files, opening the recycle bin, and permanently clearing it out to free up space. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.